Today was split between snorkeling in the morning and sea kayaking in the afternoon, which was followed immediately by shark fishing. The waves were stronger than even yesterday's snorkeling, however, and I got seasick and threw up breakfast. Interestingly, I observed a whole school of yellow snapper coming up all around me when I did this, so I guess they must like waffle and some oatmeal. I got out of the water so I could feel better by focusing on the horizon. This afternoon, I went sea kayaking, which was very cool because Doc was afraid we wouldn't be able to due to storms. We saw mostly lemon sharks and one nurse shark. The water was amazingly shallow and clear, and filled with various algae. We also saw some Cassiopeia and some other organisms that might have been sponges or tunicates. I pointed out the Ace tabularia, which is one of my favorite algae because it is one of the largest unicellular organisms on the planet. Sam talked about Valonia ventricosa, another very large unicellular algae. We went shark fishing after that, where Andrew taught us how to hook each cut up fish and squid bait piece to each shark hook properly. Doc promised whoever got a shark would get a free dessert. However, that did not happen. At the end of the day, there was an algae party, or as Doc called it, a lab. This turned out to be far more fun than I thought it would be. We compared semi-calcareous green algae to very calcareous branching purple algae, and found a far greater biodiversity in the latter. This included lots of stomatopods, some porifera, some tunicates, some crabs, only a few polychaete worms. The former algae, by comparison, had a lot of various polychaetes, including feather dusters and spaghetti worms, for example, but few of anything else. This was easily the coolest experience of the whole trip. Even though I already knew about coral-like algae, I did not know the biodiversity it held when compared to other algae.